Okay, so in this tutorial we will discuss how to use while loop in Dart programming. So basically in previous lecture we have discussed for loop. So while loop is used for same purpose, but it is different in terms of syntax, but the execution and the purpose of while loop is same as for loop. So here write void main and then the body of function. So in for loop we were declaring the variable inside the for loop. So here in while loop we have to declare and initialize the variable as we were declaring in previous programs. So I will write variable I and initialize the value of I. So here I will pass the condition that how many times I want to execute it. So here I want to execute it 10 times, and then the body of while loop. So here print hello I, and here I will pass increment operator and run it. So you can see here that we have achieved the same purpose by using while loop. So in these ways we can using while loop and for loop. So in our program we will see how to use do while loop, which is the last type of loop. Basically we have total 3 types of loop: for loop, while loop and do while loop. All 3 loops are same in their working, but their syntax is little bit different. So here you can see that we were writing the initialization part and the increment part inside the braces of for loop, but here in while loop we just have declared the condition in the braces of while loop, whereas we declared and specify the data type of variable outside the loop.